Alright, so this is what's going on. It's a 2001 Volkswagen Jetta GLS 1.8T. So everything turns on, as you can see. My battery's fully charged, everything. Just changed the starter, got a new starter in. But when I go to turn the key, this happens. Yeah. I know it's getting fuel because sometimes it does fire. Like you'll hear it fire like 3 or 4 times, but it won't actually completely turn on. I'm not exactly sure what it is. I checked most of the fuses or the fuses that have to do with that and the relays. I changed the spark plugs just now too, so I got brand new spark plugs. I'm fairly certain it's the coil packs, but I'm not too sure. I could use a lot of help here, guys. I do have gas in the car. See, so as you just heard, there was like one cylinder there that was firing. So yeah, I feel like it's the coil packs. It might or might not be. If it is, then I'm gonna change the coil packs, and then I'll put it in the comments or in the description if that fixed the problem. But yeah, I'm stuck. I'm just making this short video just because I need some help here with this one, guys. So yeah.